Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start with introduction to computer networks. So, what is a network? Actually, a group of interconnected things forms a network. The oldest example of network is the water supply system in the ancient Rome. The computer network is a set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resources, and those resources can be a network, a printer, or a file server. When we use computer, we come across a new tech term, computing. A computing is nothing but a process of utilizing computer technology to complete a task, and a task can either be a swiping a debit card, making a call, or sending an email. Computing involves the use of computer system like a PC, ATM machine, a smartphone, or any other devices. Since computer network involves the use of computer for computing and telecommunication technology like telephone lines, radio links for transmitting the processed data over a long distance. So, the computer network can be said to be evolved at the interface of telecommunication and computing. The first computer network that appeared was a wide area network that joined geographically distributed computers to each other. That wide area network nowadays is known as an internet. Let's end our today's discussion with some historic events that totally revolutionized today's world. First, the first personal computer appeared in the early 1980s. Second, the commercial use of internet in early 1980s. Third, www World Wide Web was invented in 1991. Viewers, if you have learned something from this video, please like this video, share this video so that more people can learn. Subscribe to SoftTerms if you want to learn more and turn the notification on. Thanks for watching.